Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the motor in your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement motor for your Dyson SV12. Begin by unplugging the vacuum cleaner to ensure safety. Next, remove the dust bin by pressing the release button. Once the dust bin is off, you'll need to access the motor housing. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws that secure the motor cover. There are typically 4 screws located at the base, so make sure to keep them in a safe place. After removing the screws, gently lift the motor cover off. Take a moment to clean any debris inside the motor housing with a soft cloth. This maintenance step is crucial for optimal performance. If you find that your vacuum is still underperforming, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help identify any underlying issues. With the motor cover removed, you can now see the motor itself. Disconnect the motor by unplugging the wiring harness. Be careful not to pull on the wires, instead, use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry the connector apart. If you're not comfortable doing this, keep in mind that we also provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Once the motor is disconnected, remove it by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. There are usually 2 screws on each side of the motor. After unscrewing, carefully lift the motor out of the housing. Take your new motor and place it into the housing where the old motor was. Make sure it's seated properly before securing it with screws. If you require a quote before repair, you can contact us to receive an estimate. Reconnect the wiring harness to the new motor, ensuring it clicks into place securely. Once connected, replace the motor cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Remember to double-check that everything is tight and secure, as this will help prevent any future issues. Finally, reattach the dust bin and plug in your vacuum cleaner. Turn it on to test if the new motor is functioning correctly. You should notice a significant improvement in suction power. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. No calls, no travel, our services can cater to your needs right from your home. This concludes our tutorial on replacing the motor in your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.